My name is Sachin Choube. Today we will be discussing on the topic build Java project on release in GitHub Action. So there will be two activity which we'll be doing in this demo. We will build a Java project. It will trigger when we create a release, and second we will create an action batch on it. Okay, so let's go to it. So this is the Maven project which we are going to build on it. So let's go to action. In third part, we have seen that we can use templates. So we will continue with that. So we will take the template out here. Okay. So template give us all the actions which we require. Okay. And have the project. Just for time being, we will release the publish part. Okay, and okay, let's be the Maven one and say commit publish. Comment, yep, let it be the same. Okay, so we have created the project, and in action there is no action because we have selected. If you go here and Maven publish, we select on release. Okay, so let's go to Maven and create one release. Give the name as version 1. Okay, let's give the name version 1. This will be demo for learning purpose for Java project. Okay, set as pre-release, say as publish. Because we have taken the templates, let's also explore what are the activities done out here. Okay, so we have, instead of push, we have gone with release. We will do the build. We have selected run on Ubuntu. We have set permission as read and package as write. We have taken the steps saying that first we will check out the project, then we will have SDK 11. Okay, and distribution we have taken Cameroon. We have taken server ID as GitHub and set part as GitHub workflows. We are building this package. So when we are seeing that it's file.moa, because it's on the root level out there. Okay, let's go to the action. Voila, our project is done. Okay, and this project is built. So let's go back. Okay, so we completed the part 1 of the project. We'll come back to the action. Okay, and we will Maven package. We'll come here. We'll create a status batch. Copy the markdown. We will go to Maven. Come on. We will go to dev. Don't have read only. Okay. Add a read only. Put that as overflow status and commit the change. Where is the change? So you'll see the Maven package is passed. So let's go back to the workflow. Thank you for your time.